In this video, we are going to start the application. So before that, let's look at the tools you are going to use that is setting up our environment. So the first tool you are going to use is called our code editor, and I'm going to use what is called VS Code. So you can search for VS Code and download for your operating system. And then the next tool you're going to use is called Postman, right? So if you're not familiar with Postman, Postman is used to test the API. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use Postman. Even if you are not a back-end developer, at least you should know the basis of how to use Postman to test the API you're going, because you're going to use an API for this project. So if you use Postman, it can give you the overview, all the properties the API has for you before you start implementing that. And I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, and the last piece of the cake is we're going to use an external API called the MongoDB. All right, so let's go to Google and then let's type the MongoDB. All right, so let's type for the MongoDB. All right, and let's search for that. Oh, sorry, it's not there. Okay, the MongoDB. There we go. All right, so let's click on that, and then you need to create an account for the movie. You're going to use the API for this movie from this website to build our application. All right, so you can log in here. If you don't have an account, it's very easy to follow to create your account. All right, so when you finish, let's search for the MongoDB API. All right, so let's search for the movie. I'll provide a link in the description of this video. All right, so if you click on that, we have the MongoDB database API, and we're going to use this one for the project. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can use an external API in your project. All right, so if you come here, you have all the things we can make use of. So by the end of this video, we can come here and use any of this API to build your own application. If you click on movies, all right, you can have the endpoint you're going to hit. So we are going to test this endpoint using Postman before we start coding. All right, so these are the tools you are going to use in the project. In the next video, we are going to start the real coding.